Hello and welcome to KDP with a Twist podcast. I'm Tammie Chrin, a self-publishing enthusiast, and I'm dedicated to helping you grow your business by adding a new twist to the KDP self-publishing world. I've been branding booklets for businesses since 2018. I'm the founder of KDP for B2B, which stands for Kindle Direct Publishing for Business to Business. We'll explore how to leverage your KDP self-publishing skills by helping businesses create branded booklets featuring their content. If you're interested in starting and growing your own KDP for B2B business, you've come to the right place. I'll introduce you to a few ways that you can get paid to help businesses create their own branded booklets without keywords or ads. Yes, that's right, without keywords or ads. This is what I call a triple win. The business elevates its brand, adds value to its customers, and stands out from their competition. You get paid a setup fee for each book created, plus you can make money for every book sold. And customers feel as though they have received a gift and something they will use and love. Join me every Tuesday as I will share some practical tips and advice on how you can get your own KDP for B2B adventure started. Are you ready? Let's go. Welcome to KDP with a Twist. Today I want to talk to you about Q4 coming up and getting ready for branding the booklets for businesses. A lot of places during the holidays have programs that they put together for the holidays. This is the time right now that you need to start getting in contact with them. If you haven't already, it's not too late, but get in contact with any of those places that are having the holiday programs and start creating a branded booklet for them. So I just wanted to give you that tip of this is the best time right now to start reaching out to those businesses and getting them ready for them to print and be ready for the holidays. And that can be, any type of program. They have all kinds of them going on during the holidays, whether it's in the churches or the schools or anything that you belong to, clubs and all that. So I just wanted to let you know this is a great group of people to start creating branded booklets for and start reaching out to the people that you want to contact that are getting those programs together, because it will take a little bit of time to put that together. So I didn't want you to miss this opportunity. It's like I said, it's not too late. This is the time to really get that started, start contacting these groups with the programs and start creating those branded booklets. A lot of times they don't even know it's available. So get out there now and start creating these booklets for programs. So I just wanted to give you that thought for a second. So programs are a great way to brand booklets for businesses. It happens every year, so why not start creating them now, and then you'll have a flow every year. So if you have any questions, I'm Tammie Chrin. I've been branding booklets since 2018. I'd love to help you. Drop it in the comments if I can help you in any way. All right, bye for now. Well, that's a wrap. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. If you know anybody else struggling with KDP and not making sales, or even having trouble with ads and keywords, please share KDP with a Twist podcast or have them subscribe to my YouTube channel. At KDP with a Twist podcast, I will be going over lots of strategies every Tuesday, and I'll be putting this information into small chunks, so it'll make it easier to digest. And then you can get started making money with KDP for B2B ASAP. For more information, go to my website. Make sure you get on the email list so you can stay in the loop with all things KDP. My website name is my name, Tammie Chrin. That's it, TammieChrin.com. TammieChrin.com. It'll also be in the transcripts below. Make sure you like, follow, and subscribe. And thank you for your time, and bye for now.